Car care clinics are one of my favorite ways to increase your car count. And I find a lot of shop owners, they'll run a car care clinic and it works really well and they don't do it again. We recommend that it's scheduled, that you schedule in advance and maybe you run it quarterly. And the way you advertise it, you don't have to spend money in advertising it. Maybe on your invoices at the end of the day, the customer sees that you have a car care clinic coming up. Maybe you have a sign on your counter that talks about the car care clinic. Another great way is to send out a press release, and of course, as long as you've got something that grabs the media's attention, and a big thing right now, of course, is the price of fuel. It's absolutely insane. There's a lot of money that's being wasted in fuel, and so one of the things you can do is talk about how to save money on fuel. You send out a press release to the media saying at your shop on this day you're holding a car care clinic, and it's going to teach people what they can do to save money on fuel, to maintain their vehicle. I mean, what percentage of your customers go over on their oil changes? And of course, we want to educate our customers about synthetic oils and the benefits of those as well, making sure the tires are properly inflated, making sure they do the fluid exchanges. A lot of people have no idea that they have a cabin air filter in their vehicle, and so we can explain the benefits of having the cabin air filter replaced. So what you want to do is have a list that you go through it each time, and make sure that you've got a handout to provide to the people with the benefits of maintenance and the ways they can save money on fuel, etc. So on your marketing planner, you want to make sure that on a quarterly basis that you're educating your customers through a car care clinic, and of course part of that would be getting them ready for the next season. So you run a car care clinic in the spring, the summer, the fall, the winter, and make sure that you're educating them about the upcoming season and the things they should do to be ready for the winter, etc. So now a person comes into your shop, they're thinking about maintenance because you educated them about maintenance. They know they want their vehicle to last longer. They know that if they go to resell that vehicle, they want to sell it for a higher amount of money. So the whole idea is to show the customer the benefits of maintenance, to educate the customers about the maintenance. And then of course, in addition to that is the media coverage. So again, once every quarter, have it planned in advance. You could advertise it on your counter, on your invoices, on your website, so you don't have to spend a lot of money telling people that you're going to put on this clinic. The idea is to use the tools that you already have.